Hello embellishers and visiting friends, welcome back to Embellish Home with Felicia. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching another video. In today's video, I am showing you modern wall planters that I created using Dollar Tree items. So here are the inspo photos, and these beautiful planters was out of stock. So let's get started. So you're going to grab 2 splatter screens per planter. Grab 2 of Dollar Tree round door placards. These were left over from Easter. So the first thing I did was flip it over and remove the twine and bead. Next, I just removed the 3D portion off the side. Then I just traced a circle on a piece of paper and then folded it in half to get the center of the circle. Next, I just took a utility blade and cut it and scored it in half. So next, I took the splatter screen and a screwdriver and removed the lid. So here I am just taking the splatter screen and the half circle and doing a dry fit. So the round placard was a little bit wider than the splatter screen. So I'm just taking a little bit of tape on each side to secure the splatter screen to the door placard for the next step. As you can see, there will be a hole left in the screen, but we'll address that later. So next, I just took a Sharpie and traced the top edge of the placard. Then took scissors and cut along the line I just traced and removed just half of the screen. So next, I took sandpaper and lightly sanded the decorative side as well as the top and sides of the placard. So next, I took cardboard and maybe the width of a ruler and cut out a long strip, and I didn't measure the length. So next, I just took a utility blade and start to score the piece that I cut out, and you'll see why later. So now let's take our hot glue gun and we're going to put glue on the edge of the placard as well as the strip. And then I'm going to take the placard and start to roll it along the edge with the strip. So once you get to the end, you want to hold it just a bit, let the glue solidify. So next, we're just going to take the hot glue after we flipped it over and run hot glue on the inner side. So next, we're just going to take our scissors and cut it even with the edge of the placard. Okay friends, so we're taking the other half of the circle and we're using our hot glue going on the edge and holding it down and pressing until it's secure. So next, we're just going to reinforce the inside again with some glue and then take sandpaper and sand all edges. So we're going to use spackle from Dollar Tree to fill in the openings on the placards. Friends, if you are enjoying this DIY, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Okay friends, so now we're going to take our spackle and run it along the edges that we joined together so we can have a smoother finish for painting. So here I just took a foam brush and black acrylic paint and painted the planters and let them sit 24 hours. These will look great in any color. I chose black. Okay, so next we're going to take our splatter screen and I use Rust-Oleum matte paint, spray painted black, and then now we're ready to adhere it to our planter. Okay, so finally I took strong adhesive and just kind of eyeballed it and spaced it out, and then took my splatter screen and firmly placed it down. Next, I took some old packing material, sprayed it black, and took that and hot glued it over that hole that I showed you earlier. I took my second black screen that I sprayed and epoxy it on the back side, and we have a final planter. Friends, if you enjoyed this DIY, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I would love to have you a part of the embellished family. Also, check out my other DIY Dollar Tree spring wall decor. Thank you for watching another video. God bless you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.